Adopt KPF 4520, the Italian water pump built to perform. Looking for a powerful and efficient water pump? The Adopt KPF 4520 is made in Italy and comes in both single-phase and three-phase models, perfect for residential use. Ultra-quiet operation, no more annoying noise. Built with precision, this pump runs smoothly and silently. Smart thermal protection. Overheating? Not a chance. The built-in sensor shuts the pump off if the temperature goes beyond the safe levels. Power-packed performance pumps 40 liters per minute and pushes water up to 84 meters high, making it ideal for single-unit homes. Versatile and tough, ready for any job. Handles water up to 35 degrees centigrade for household use and from 10 degrees centigrade to 80 degrees centigrade in other applications. Operates effortlessly in environments up to 4 degrees centigrade and supports pressure up to 10 bar. Want to go automatic? Here's how. Control set. Keeps the pump running smoothly without frequent on and off cycles. Pressure tank. Stores water for quick tasks like brushing your teeth or filling a glass of water, reducing unnecessary pump activations and extending its life. Flumco proudly supplies this high-quality air-cooled pump. Need more information? Our experts are ready to help. Get in touch today.